prepare chicken shakuti, I'll be using 1 kg of chicken. To marinate the chicken, let's marinate the chicken with the salt first as per required. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 whole lime juice, 1 medium freshly grated coconut, 2 medium onions, 2 tomatoes, garlic, ginger, and for dry roast masala, we'll be using 1.5 teaspoon of poppy seeds, 3 green cardamoms, 1 mace, half nutmeg, 8 to 10 cloves, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, bay leaf, 10 to 14 peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of fennel seed, 1 star anise, 2 inch of cinnamon stick, 1.5 tablespoon of dry coriander seeds, and 6 to 8 red chilies. Let's dry roast this all spices together. You have to dry roast this until you can smell a very good aroma out of this masala. The spices are very well dry roasted now. Now let's leave this aside and start with the other thing. In the same pan, take 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. So here we're going to fry 1 onion and 1 tomato. Fry this until the onion gets golden brown. The onion and tomatoes are done now. Now let's leave this aside to cool down. Now same again in the same pan, we'll be taking 1 whole freshly grated coconut. To this add 6 garlic cloves, 1 inch of ginger. You have to dry roast this until the coconut is completely golden brown. As you see, the coconut is done now. We'll set this aside to cool down and we have to grind this all to a fine paste after. So in the blender, let's add the fried coconut, fried onion, tomatoes and the dry roast masala as well. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 150 ml of water. Now let's go and blend this to a very smooth paste. The masala is ready now. Now in a pot, take about 2 tablespoons of oil. Now let's put 1 finely chopped onion, 1 finely chopped tomato. Now let's fry this for 2 to 3 minutes. Now let's add the chicken in there. And let's give a good mix to it. I would like to add potatoes in my shakuti. This is optional, you can have it if you want to, but I always love to have potatoes in the shakuti. So this is, as I've said, it's an optional. You can have it if you want to for yourself. If not, then you just can cook the chicken by itself. And let's mix this again and let it get cooked for 5 to 10 minutes by itself on a medium flame. As you see now, it's been 10 minutes. The chicken is getting cooked. Now let's open the lid and add the chicken shakuti masala to it. Add salt to taste. Mix the chicken very well with the chicken shakuti masala. Now I'm going to add water. The water depends about you, how much thick you want to have the sauce. So if you want to have it very thick or very thin, I'm using just about half cup of water. I'm going to give a good mix again and then I'm going to let it cook for another 15 to 20 minutes on a very medium flame. As you see, it's almost done now here. Now let's add a little bit of coriander to this. Now give a very nice, gentle, good mix. Our chicken shakuti is ready. Now let's Serve this separately. So friends, our chicken shakuti is ready now. If you have liked our recipe, please do show us your love by liking, sharing and subscribing our channel. Till then, love you all. Adios.